This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Kayla Casada. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 2,846 square feet, Victorian-style home offers an open floor plan and large windows that flood the rooms with natural light. Kitchen and living areas make it great for entertaining. The master bedroom includes a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with a luxurious soaking tub. Additional highlights include a 2-car garage, energy-efficient HVAC systems, and ample storage space throughout, newer roof, new upgraded electrical panel and $5,000 flooring allowance. The backyard offers a private patio area, ideal for outdoor entertainment. Situated within a gated community. The community amenities include well-maintained walking trails, a swimming pool, a fitness center, and common green spaces, 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, all to enhance your living experience. For more information,